Cranberry Juice Benefits. Cranberry juice, a tart deep red drink, is commonly found in most grocery stores. This beverage, especially in its purest form, is actually an amazing addition. Cranberry Juice Benefits. Cranberries are regarded as a superfood due to their excellent antioxidant and nutrient content. Usually, they aren't eaten raw because of their sharp sour and bitter taste. Instead, they are most commonly consumed as sweetened juice or blended with other fruit juices. The nutrition of cranberries can change depending upon their forms, such as raw or dried, because dried berries contain more sugar. The juices are also not all the same, with many containing lots of added sugar. Cranberries, carbohydrates and fiber. Carbohydrates and fiber are the chief constituents of cranberries, mainly simple sugars like fructose, sucrose, and glucose. Insoluble fiber makes the remaining part, including cellulose, hemicellulose, and pectin. Cranberries, vitamins and minerals. Cranberries contain the following types of minerals and vitamins: vitamin A, vitamin B complex, vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin K1. Cranberry antioxidants. Cranberries are rich in antioxidants and other bioactive plant compounds, especially flavanol polyphenols. Most of these compounds are clustered in the skin and are highly lessened in the cranberry juice. Health benefits of cranberries. According to a study, phenols, which are a type of antioxidant, are present in high amounts in cranberries out of 20 common fruits. Urinary tract infection prevention. A type proanthocyanidin is present in cranberries that reduce the intestinal bacteria Escherichia coli coli adherence to the urinary tract and bladder lining. Therefore, cranberries can be a possible precaution against UTIs because they come among the most significant source of a type proanthocyanidin. Stomach cancer and ulcer prevention. Again, a type proanthocyanidin can lessen the risk of H. pylori to your stomach lining and are present in cranberries in significant quantities. Heart health. Cranberry products can be helpful in many ways, like by decreasing LDL cholesterol levels in diabetes patients, enhancing HDL cholesterol levels, decreasing blood pressure, reducing the oxidation of LDL cholesterol, reducing the hardness of blood vessels in heart patients, reducing homocysteine levels in the blood, thus lowering the inflammation risk in blood vessels. Cranberries can also be helpful for your mouth, as they control toxic acids in your mouth by reducing the amount of acid and its adherence to your teeth, thus help in decreasing tooth decay, gum diseases, cavities, and even oral cancer. Is cranberry juice good for you? This cranberry juice can be such a good way to get daily vitamin C, antioxidants, and more. Follow us for more.